Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our June new products video. Our first new product is for the 2021 Bronco. It's these tie rod end strengtheners. People have been taking their brand new 2021 Broncos off-road, and there is a weakness in the front. And the tie rods, where they hook to the steering knuckle, they come up in the metal part where it's threaded down for the adjusting it. That's the weak area. So BDS has come up with this product here. These heavy-duty tie rod end strengtheners. Basically, you drop it down, thread this into this place, tighten it all back up in place, and you're ready to go. Brand new for the 2021 Bronco from BDS, tie rod end strengtheners. And our next products for the 2019 Ranger to 2021 from Ford Motorsport are these beautiful Ford ovals. Instead of being the traditional silver and blue, it's like a blackened with a pewter color, come in a pair for the front and rear for the 2019 to 2021 Ranger. Brand new, these beautiful black and pewter Ford ovals. And our next new products for the Power Stroke diesel fans. Dennis Carpenter has reproduced these two emblems. First of all, we have the fender emblem, which came on the 94 to 98 250, 350. It's a peel and stick, really nice sticker, goes right under the F250 or 350 emblem. Then he also came out with the injected molded rear that goes on the bottom of the tailgate. Both are peel and stick, really easy to put on, brand new for the Power Stroke diesel fans. Our next new product is this replacement AC kit. The one in front of me is the basic kit. This fits 94 to 96 Ford F-Series and Bronco 302, 331. This is a basic kit. What's nice about this, it gives you a brand new compressor, brand new accumulator, gives you all the seals you need, and gives you a new filter. We have a large selection parts starting from 78 all the way up to 98 on the AC parts. We have kits like this, and we have all this stuff individually sold. We have the compressors, we have the accumulators, we have the condensers, we have the evaporators, seals, all the little parts, and also we have all the hoses. Brand new for the 1978 all the way up to 98 Ford F-Series and Bronco. And for our June web truck of the month, we have Jamie Champer's beautiful 1975 Bronco. It has a 351 Windsor with a 5-speed transmission. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support. Hope to see you again next month.
1975 Ford Bronco U15. It's got a 351 Windsor with an M50 DR2 transmission out of a 2001 F-150 with 4.2. MP205 transfer case. It's still got the stock 350 gears with the Dana 44 in the front and 9-inch in the rear. Upgraded disc brakes in the front, power brakes. Other than that, it's got a 3.5-inch lift. Deaver front springs, just blocks in the rear. I did wheels, tires. I did the transmission, the transfer case, drivetrain, stuff like that. But body-wise, I haven't touched it. It was originally island blue, and then somebody down the road painted it red. I have plans to do a body off, but we're in the middle of a Mustang restoration right now. Seats are out of a 2005 Ranger, and I modified the sliders to bolt to the, or weld and bolt to the stock Bronco frame. Besides redoing the bodywork, fixing all the rust and everything like that, it's got a little bit of rust on the floorboards, but most of it's pretty clean. Any upgrades beyond that, I have the original hardtop at home. I'm going to fix that up, get it up to good. All new weather stripping, just a once over with it. Right. Beyond any kind of lift or anything like that, not going to go any taller. Not any much more power. I'd like to do EFI one day. I've done a few EFI conversions, and I'd like to do that maybe with a Mustang or maybe like Phi-Tech or something like that. But haven't dove too deep into that yet. The 351 is still pretty healthy. Just a cruiser, just around town. We're down from Greenfield, Indiana, about 5.5 hour trip, and just drive around. Really, don't really off-road it. I got another truck that I off-road a little bit more hardcore than this one. Always loved the Broncos and just always wanted to own one. So I finally was able to get one about 4 years ago. My dad had a Bronco when I was little. He had an '89. But the early Bronco, just how unique it is compared to the other Broncos, I've always really loved that.